of tomorrow as it becomes wet and very windy. The culprit is this area of low pressure deepening quite madly now over in the eastern part of the Atlantic, and by midday tomorrow it will be off the southwest approaches. And we've got very tight isobars around it, indicating very strong winds, and these fronts will also bring some heavy outbreaks of rain as well as sleet and snow at times. Now at the moment the winds are fairly light from the east, southeast or south over the country, but as we go through tonight and again tomorrow we see stronger winds coming in from the south and west, so that by the end of tomorrow afternoon over much of England and Wales and Northern Ireland we'll have gales coming in from the south or even east. Now at the moment we can see a curl of cloud around that low in the Atlantic, but over the British Isles it's relatively clear of cloud, although we have got some lumpy cloud over northwestern parts of Scotland, giving a few showers at the present time. Now those will continue throughout the rest of this evening, the rest of the country dry and relatively clear, but as we go through the night the clouds thickening up from the west and south, getting into southern parts of England and South Wales by tomorrow morning. Much of it of rain, but it will tend to sleet and snow at times, particularly over the high ground, giving some tricky driving conditions here and there. Elsewhere, remaining cold and clear, and here a widespread frost. Temperatures as low as -1 to -3 degrees, and that will mean slippery roads and also pavements by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning over much of southern and central England and Wales it's going to be cloudy and wet, heavy outbreaks of driving rain, turning to sleet and snow at times, particularly over the high ground. But over northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, starting off dry and bright with some sunshine after a frosty start. But it will change in northern England and Northern Ireland in the afternoon as that thicker cloud comes along with some outbreaks of rain, once again turning to sleet and snow over the higher ground. A cold, raw day in many central areas, temperatures at best 4 to 5 degrees, but milder air coming into the south later on at around 9. On Friday, that area of low pressure still to the southwest of the country, with the rain pushing up into parts of Scotland, again turning to sleet and snow over more northern areas. But it will be brighter and showery in many southern areas.